Welcome back to Cars Buddy, your ultimate destination for luxury, classics, and automotive legends. Before we begin this incredible journey, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a ride through history and power. Car Sparkles. Today, we step inside the luxurious white marble showroom and come face to face with one of the most iconic American muscle cars ever created, the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 454. Known as the king of muscle cars, this beast was more than just a machine, it was a cultural phenomenon. The story of the Chevelle begins in the early 1960s when Chevrolet decided to challenge the rising demand for midsize cars. By 1970, the Chevelle had already become a symbol of raw American horsepower. The SS 454 was the ultimate performance package. Under the hood sat the monstrous 454 cubic inch V8 engine, making it the most powerful Chevelle ever built. At a time when young drivers were hungry for speed and muscle, this car stood as a symbol of rebellion, freedom, and American pride. Back in the golden era of muscle cars, the Chevelle SS 454 was a direct competitor to legends like the Dodge Charger, Ford Mustang Boss 429, and Pontiac GTO. But with its unique mix of power and luxury, it carved out a legacy of its own. Take a look at its sleek gray body, timeless, muscular, and aggressive. From the cowl induction hood to the dual racing stripes, every detail screams performance. Placed inside this luxurious white marble showroom, the reflections make the Chevelle glow like a diamond. Chrome bumpers, wide stance, and its long bodylines give it a commanding presence. The 1970 SS 454 wasn't just designed to be fast, it was designed to intimidate. Car enthusiasts called it a street monster, beautiful yet dangerous. Step inside, and the interior greets you with style and strength. Imagine the black and gray leather seats, the classic steering wheel, and a dashboard that mixed elegance with performance. The interior wasn't just about comfort, it was about control. Drivers could feel the connection between man and machine. Every gear shift, every engine roar was a thrill. But the real magic of the Chevelle SS 454 lived under the hood. The LS6 version of this car produced an unbelievable 450 horsepower, making it one of the fastest muscle cars of its time. 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.4 seconds, and a quarter mile in 13 seconds flat, those numbers were insane in the 1970s. The Chevelle was more than just a car, it was a rocket on wheels. That's why drag racers loved it, collectors worshipped it, and competitors feared it. In the muscle car wars, the Chevelle SS 454 had no mercy. Dodge brought the Charger, Ford unleashed the Mustang, Pontiac had the GTO, but the Chevelle SS 454 stood tall as the ultimate powerhouse. It wasn't just about speed, it was about dominance. Owners of the Chevelle had bragging rights, because they knew they were driving the baddest muscle car on the streets. Fast forward to today, the Chevelle SS 454 has become a dream collectible. Prices for well-kept models soar above $250,000, and restored versions in luxurious showrooms like this one are considered priceless treasures. Owning this car today is not just about driving, it's about owning a piece of history. As you look around this showroom, with its luxurious white marble floors and cinematic lighting, the Chevelle SS 454 looks like a crown jewel. The reflections, the shine, the elegance, it's not just a car, it's art in motion. So there you have it, the legendary 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 454. A car that defined an era, ruled the streets, and continues to live on in the hearts of enthusiasts. If you enjoyed this journey through history and horsepower, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to Cars Buddy, and share it with every car lover you know. Because here, every ride is more than a drive, it's a story worth telling.